Hey guys, this is USACT Anthony, and I just recently played at DV8 in Lithia, Florida, and it was an awesome field, definitely one of my favorites. So this game is like a prisoner-based game where there's a prisoner and we're the defending team, so we're making sure that the other team doesn't rescue him.
Okay.
And there are medic rules for this game, so someone just pats you on the back for 10 seconds and then you're back in the fight. So with that, I hope you enjoyed this video.
You don't have to go to respawn if you're medic.
Oh, okay, sweet. We good?
If I were you, put that door all the way open, you can see kids where I can rush. Here they come. No. That girl in the pink thing, I almost just started shooting at.
Oh, there's some coming, backing up this way. You guys good? One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Get him. Oh, sorry. I'm pushing that way. Give me cover. Oh, I got hit. I think so. Okay. Well, is that one of our guys? I hear shooting over there. Ah! Hey! I think. Oh shoot!
You saw him, right?
Yeah. Oh yeah, I can't cross. I was about to cross and I see BB's whizzing right by. You wanna flank around? Oh shoot. He just starts running. Think we should advance? Shoot! Nope, 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 nope. That one guy saw us and he started telling them, oh! Sorry. Do they still have his pin on this wall?
Yeah, he's like right there at the corner.
Okay.
Red container right there.
Is it safe to peek it?
I tried to peek it, and then I shot at him. See him right there at the first red container.
I don't see.
Right there.
Yeah.
Sorry if I shot you more than once, guys.
Oh, hit.
1, 2, 3.
Thanks, man.
Sniper to the left.
To the left. Roger. Whoa. They're on coming close. I see him.
Yeah, you got him.
Oh, sorry. Sorry for overshooting. No, it hit right here. It hit the edge of the crate. But I'll call it.
Basically what happened here was he thought he hit me, but earlier you actually can hear that round ding off the crate. It was really close, but he just barely missed and he thought he hit me. So to prevent any arguments, I went ahead and called hit, and I got medicked and got right back in the game, so it was no issue.
Are you hit? Okay. Well, I'm on the other team. Wait. Oh, really? Okay, here, give me cover. I'm gonna get up to this guy. All right, I'm trying. Okay. Hit!
Oh, nice job, man.
Woo.
Sniper over there.
Okay. That ain't mine.
They're coming in.
Oh, yep. At about 3 o'clock over there. I think I hit one. 10 goes down. Oh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Which corner? Roger. Alright.
Yeah, they shoot.
Here, watch our back, watch our back. Oh, shit.
Hey. Oh my God.
Take it down. Take it down. I'll just walk back. I'll hit.
I'm sorry to tell you, but your entire army is dead. You're all gonna lose.
No!
You're all gonna get freaking massacred. This is a
I
losing
can't
battle.
take this no more. Are you kidding me? What? No. Brum, 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 brum. I think it's been 15 minutes. Oh, hit! Right across, right around that corner. I'm gonna see if I can flank round. That's game. Oh, yeehaw. That's game.
Oh,